Latest coming in on the Kumbh fake tests case. Special investigation team probing the case has issued a notice to the 3 labs accused for conducting the fake tests. Remember, nearly 1 lakh COVID tests conducted during Kumbh have been found to be bogus in a report. Okay, now this is in fact getting only murkier now. As many as 1 lakh COVID tests conducted during Kumbh have been found to be fake, which means that there was a system put in place in order to issue fake COVID test reports to facilitate the devotees entering the Kumbh Mela. In fact, that was one of the criteria, or rather one of the important screening that was set in place, that whoever wants to attend will have to produce a COVID negative report. Now, in order to facilitate that, it seems fake rackets were operating there in Kumbh. 1 lakh COVID tests conducted during Kumbh have been found to be bogus in a report. Let me go across to Ishita Mishra, Principal Correspondent, Times of India, joining us. Ishita, good morning. What do we know about this? I mean, how have we arrived at this figure of 1 lakh COVID tests conducted? Were they all fake? And when we say fake, are we saying that they were given false negative reports?
Hi. So now, as far as we all know, that on the basis of a complaint of an LIC agent from Punjab, ICMR has asked Uttarakhand Health Department to do a preliminary inquiry, and in the preliminary inquiry report submitted by the Uttarakhand Health Department, that's around 1600-page report with annexures and all. So in that report, it was found that this one particular agency, Max Corporate Services, and 2 labs associated with it, that's Nalwa, a Hisar-based lab, and Lalsandani Path Lab from Delhi, have conducted tests, and the records are bogus, actually. So basically, these are the tests which the investigation officer till now has found that have never been conducted, because the data they have uploaded on the ICMR portal is fake. The phone numbers are fake, the addresses are fake, names are fake, and there are people who have never been to Kumbh were shown to be tested positive. They have received messages. We in Times of India are doing continuous story on this issue, that we try to contact over 100 people whose names and phone numbers are there in the list, and they all said that they have never been to Kumbh. Some of them said they do receive the message, but they just ignored those messages of being tested COVID negative just because they thought it was a spam. But none of them accepted to us that they have ever been to Kumbh or have given any kind of COVID test sample near Haridwar, even near Haridwar.
Okay. Right. So basically, the tests were never conducted in certain cases, like you're saying, from first-hand information. That is what it appears to be. But the SIT probing the case has issued notices to 3 labs accused of conducting these fake tests. Thanks, Ishita, for joining us with the latest on this. Let's take a short break here.